Hi, I'm going to show you how you can share anyone's pin from Pinterest in a social post with your advertisement shown to people who click the Rightly URL in your social post. What I'm going to do first is grab part of the title that I want and right click, copy that. Then I am going to hit my right forge browser button. That pin URL was converted to a Rightly. Hit the return button, click in the Rightly, and I see I'm using my default link ad. I could change to other ones. So I'm going to change to package versus buffer. Then, since I copied the pin title information, some of it, I might also get some hashtags. I can click in a word here, get hashtags from that. I can go from one search to another, add a couple more hashtags, and I've got a pretty good social post. Then what I can see is when someone clicks on that Rightly ad, which of course is the call to action of the social post, this is what they see. And here's the call to action button. By the way, you can also replace the logo and where it clicks through to. You have control of both of these. They can be different places.